viewers, let's talk about the tale of two protests. When Gen Z took to the streets of Delhi, political parties queued up to stand with them. The protest lasted 36 days. The government eventually relented. The education minister resigned. Several key demands of the students were accepted. But today, we are talking about that same generation on the streets again. This time, not in the national capital, but 1,200 kilometers away, in Ranchi. For the past 10 days, JPSC and JSSC aspirants have staged a peaceful protest demanding a CBI probe into the alleged recruitment irregularities in Jharkhand. Yet, there have been no high-profile political visits, no race for photo ops, no nationwide campaign around their cause. Today, Rahul Gandhi announced the next stop of his Chhatron Ki Goonj campaign. It isn't Ranchi. It isn't Ranchi at all. It's in Prayagraj. So the question is, why Prayagraj? Why not Ranchi? Prayagraj, well, if that is against the central government, you've already picked it up here in New Delhi, got the results that you wanted. Why is Ranchi so far away for Rahul Gandhi? Is it because one is in a BJP governed state and the other is ruled by the Congress Jharkhand Mukti Morcha alliance? So you can't protest against yourself. Is it because one is going to polls next year while the other isn't? Or because this isn't the movement of a political party but only of students? So do you really care about students?
आप देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे कितना शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से बाकी जगहों में या बाकी देश में आपने प्रदर्शन का स्वरूप देखा होगा, लेकिन झारखंड की मिट्टी ऐसी है कि सरकार से अभी भी गुहार लगा रही है कि वो छात्रों की बात सुने।
झारखंड के मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत सोरेन ही वहां पर जो है एजुकेशन मंत्री भी है। अभी तक कोई किसी ने उनका जो इस्तीफे का डिमांड तो नहीं किया।
कोई भी व्यक्ति जो है उसका संज्ञान लेने को तैयार नहीं है। जेपीएससी के जो मेंबर हैं वो कांग्रेस के सदस्य हैं। जेपीएससी के जो मेंबर हैं वो झारखंड मुक्ति मोर्चा के सदस्य हैं।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Joining me on the debate with Pradeep Bhandari, Harshvardhan Tripathi and Sanjay Jha is Somnath Bharti, former Minister of Law, Tourism and Culture, Delhi government and senior leader of the Aam Aadmi Party. Sanjay Jha, to you first. Prayagraj, not Ranchi. Why? Because it's your government. Students there don't matter. That's not Gen Z. Those futures are not what you want to fight. Because it's your government and they're protesting against your government. So you pretend to turn a blind eye to them. Is that how the cookie crumbles?
Navika, without any hesitation, I will say this with full responsibility, that the Jharkhand government, of which Congress is a part, has to actively engage in putting an end to the protest. I come from that area. I come from Bihar. Originally, Jharkhand was part of Bihar until it got bifurcated. And I can tell you, it's a serious challenge there, undoubtedly. I have followed the protest, by the way. And I can tell you that if the Congress leaders haven't landed up, etc., that's not right. That's not appropriate. I also want to tell you that the government of Mr. Soren and the Congress is being sensitive to it. Now, I don't know when the resolution will happen, but nobody's going to call them, as the BJP has done, anti-national, anti-constitutional, traitors to the country, criminals, beat them up in a lathi charge, assault them with pellet guns, have an AK-47. That's not going to happen. There's empathy here, there's understanding, but I will concede this point that the Congress needs to demonstrate consistency. It is a government, the students are protesting. One should stand with them and quickly resolve the issue.
Well, 10 दिन से empathy तो नहीं नजर आ रही हर्षवर्धन जी। 10 दिन तो हो गए जेन जी स्टूडेंट प्रोटेस्ट को, ये एम्पैथी कहाँ चली गई?
देखिए नविका जी, मुझे अच्छा लगा कि संजय झा जी ने कहा कि मैं बिना किसी इफबट के कह रहा हूं, लेकिन उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि राहुल गांधी को रांची में जाकर छात्रों की गूंज करनी चाहिए। उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा। उन्होंने कहा कि एक्टिवली एंगेज करना चाहिए, प्रोटेस्ट एंड कराना चाहिए। उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि हेमंत सोरेन को रिजाइन दे देना चाहिए। रेजिग्नेशन की बात उन्होंने, कितने ईमानदार हैं संजय झा जी, यही तो कमाल है ना। और क्या ये इस देश के नौजवानों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा हो मेरी रांची ढेर सारे लोगों से बात हुई जो उस प्रोटेस्ट का हिस्सा हैं, जो वहां लोग हैं, वो कह रहे हैं कि इतना सलीके का मूवमेंट, एक अच्छा सा स्टूडेंट मूवमेंट वहां चल रहा है, लेकिन उस पर कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहा। और कमाल की बात है, वो जो कॉकरोच पार्टी थी, तिलचट्टों की पार्टी थी, वो भी उस पर नहीं ध्यान दे रही है। एक वीडियो कॉल करके उसको वायरल किया जा रहा है। छात्रों की गूंज पहले भी प्रयाग में होना था, लेकिन चूंकि राहुल जी उस वक्त विदेश के दौरे पर चले गए थे, तो उसको फिर से किया जा रहा है। लेकिन इस वक्त उनको वहां जाना था तो नहीं गए। आपको याद होगा, राहुल जी विदेश से लौटे थे तो यूपी में वो चले गए थे, वो रायबरेली चले गए थे, फतेहपुर चले गए थे, चंडीगढ़ में एक दलित के घर में चले गए, दलित ऑफिसर ने आत्महत्या कर ली थी। सवाल ये, क्या राहुल गांधी को सिर्फ इशू वो चाहिए जिससे देश में कुछ विभाजन हो जाए, इसके अलावा कोई और नहीं? क्या किसी भी असली मुद्दे पर राहुल गांधी खड़े होते? वो नेता प्रतिपक्ष है, उनकी एक बड़ी भूमिका है और मुझे लगता है कि वो नहीं निभाते। कमाल की बात यह है कि जो अपोजिशन पार्टी जिनका सचमुच कोई लेना देना झारखंड की सरकार से नहीं है, वो भी नहीं बोल रही, क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि उनके राज्य में ना हो जाए। और मैंने तो प्रियांक खड़गे जी को सुना कि भाई प्रोटेस्ट होगा तो फिर आगे, तब उसके बाद हम देखेंगे। कमाल की बात यह है कि ये सब कुछ वो इस तरह से कह रहे हैं जैसे स्टूडेंट मूवमेंट का कोई मतलब है ही नहीं। और जब जंतर मंतर पर गालियां, पता नहीं क्या क्या हो रहा था, उसके साथ वो लोग खड़े थे। बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है।
Well,
लाठी और पैलेट को भूल गए त्रिपाठी जी।
I'm just saying, Somnath Bharti ji, students should be treated alike, whichever state they are in, whether it is Jantar Mantar in Delhi or whether it is a Jantar Mantar moment in Jharkhand. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is more interested in Prayagraj, maybe because there are elections very soon. But if he's against the BJP government, then the BJP government has shown that, they take decisions when they're pushed to the wall. Why would you not expect Mr. Kejriwal or Mr. Rahul Gandhi to fight for the students of Jharkhand? Are they not your concern? Are they not students of India? Are they not the Gen Z of India जिनकी आपको इतनी चिंता है?
Nabika ji, the way you are expressing, it's basically, the way you and the gentleman from who usually speaks for BJP only, Harshvardhan ji, what are we doing? Are we comparing that you did a wrong and he did a wrong and we are justifying that wrong by another wrong? Can you imagine 21 states BJP is in power? National exams of the standard of AIMS PG, NEET, JEE Main, UGC NET. 152 exams, paper leaks happened since 2014. Wrong. A government which was saying all the time that we are the solution of India's problems. And the way you treated Gen Z, nothing will justify. You have just picked up one opposition state and trying to wash the sins of BJP of 152 paper leaks. What is going on in this country? You have used AK-47, you have used pellet guns, you have abused left, right and center girl students, you have torn their clothes. Manya Modi ji is saying, I am the Mahamanav, I have forgiven your sins. And today, in Noida, that girl, along with the single mother, had to vacate that house, madam, because some of your followers threatened them with rape. Is it easy? Can we make a mockery of all this?
No, we are not making any mockery. I am merely... No, don't hide your hypocrisy by calling me names. You are not my dialogue writer. I will ask you, and I reserve the right to ask you the questions that I want to ask you. I'm asking you, why are you differentiating between student protests here or there? You should be concerned about both, Somnath Bharti ji. आपके dialogue जरूरी नहीं है मैं बोलूं. आप अपने बोलिए, मैं अपना सवाल पूछूंगी.
A single mother with a 15-year-old girl had to leave the house. How dare the BJP goons? What do they think of themselves?
Pradeep, please respond.
How dare these hypocritical anti-youth people with thousands of youth in Jharkhand with no stones in their hand, with no vandalism like these people had done, are peacefully marching from the last 10 days, and neither have you seen Mr. Arvind Kejriwal utter a word, neither Rahul Gandhi asked for the resignation of Hemant Soren. This is how hypocritical these people are, because for them only politics matter, no accountability matter. This man only governs one state in the country, which is called Punjab. In Punjab, you have pharmacy paper which has been leaked, Naib Tehsildar paper which is leaked, PSBB paper which is leaked, agriculture development paper which is leaked, PSSSB Group B examination which is leaked, Punjab state teacher eligibility test which is leaked. Only leak, and zero accountability these people have. We took moral accountability. For them, it is only hypocrisy and politics. Shame on you guys.
I just am pointing out to the political hypocrisy and the opportunism. Students, wherever they are, deserve our support. And if they are protesting against faults in the education system, they should just get that report. That support is important for them, whether that support is required in Prayagraj, Jharkhand, or New Delhi. Any political party that does double speak, well, the students will see through this. That's all there is to it. We'll leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. Good night, be safe. I'll be back tomorrow, viewers, with the News Hour at 9.